Good evening. Ahééhwiindzin. If you would like to learn how to say a prayer in the Navajo language for your Thanksgiving dinner, feel free to learn this prayer. Boholnihi, Ahééhwiindzin, 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 Ba, Datni Dangi, Di Chiyan, Dabitni Dangi, Nacha, Bigidjidli. Doj Iyan, Adayi Lagi Ilto, Bigidjidli, Nihosane, Do Ben Hitcha, Yadahot Eto, Ahidani Glido, Aha Nihilta Hojoro, Nacha Aholia, Do Nijonago, Ninahidika, Nijibinache, Sohodizin, Ero. If you would like to learn that prayer for your Thanksgiving dinner, feel free to use it. Ahééhwiindzin Binache, Nilhojonle. Happy Thanksgiving.